Welcome to your dream home, tucked away in a serene cul-de-sac setting. This uniquely updated two-story home, located in the Autnm Chase addition, offers breathtaking views of tranquil country fields, providing a perfect escape from the chaos of daily life. As you step inside, the foyer embraces you with a warm welcome. The eat-in kitchen is designed for joyous gatherings, featuring gorgeous granite countertops, sleek laminate flooring, and stainless steel appliances that make cooking a delight. Enjoy formal dining in your elegant, dedicated dining room, which can be converted into a cozy den, productive office, or vibrant playroom to fit your lifestyle. The cozy family room invites you to relax by the wood-burning fireplace, creating an ideal atmosphere for tranquil evenings. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master suite complete with a private full bath and a generous walk-in closet. The conveniently located laundry room on the second floor means no more lugging laundry up and down the stairs. There's so many features to love about this home, so come and check it out. This is a motivated seller, so bring an offer. Call Leah Lingridge for more information.